Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. My dear students, our today's lecture number is 15 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 11. Our today's topic is exercise 5.1. We will solve two questions today, 33 and 34. Okay. Now let's start, my dear students. 33 question. Number 33 of your book, page number 86. My dear students, it's if x plus y equal to 7 and xy equal to 10, what is the value of x square plus y square plus 5xy? That means we need to find out the value of x square plus y square plus 5xy, and the value of xy is given, but the value of x square and y square are not given. The value of x plus y is given. That is why we will convert these x square and y square into the formula of x square plus y square plus twice xy. My dear students, this is the solution. It's a very easy calculation. Okay, first of all, write down given that x plus y equals to 7, x plus y is equal to 7, and xy that's equal to 10. My dear students, the given expression is x square plus y square plus 5xy. This expression's value need to be calculated. Okay, the expression is x square plus y square plus 5xy. Okay, my dear students, the given value xy's value is given, but x square plus y square's value not given. That is why we will create a formula of x plus y whole square. The formula of x plus y whole square is x square plus twice xy plus y square. That is why we need twice xy. So we will break this 5xy into twice xy and thrice xy. Okay, how? Look, my dear students, it's x square plus y square remain unchanged, and this 5xy we can write down twice xy plus thrice xy, because we need this twice xy with x square and y square to make the formula. Now rearrange this one. That means x square plus twice xy plus this y square. We have this formula now. Okay, and this is extra, this thrice xy remain unchanged. Now my dear students, is x square plus twice xy plus y square equal to x plus y whole square. We know that a square plus twice ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Here is a is equal to x and b is equal to y. That means we can write down x plus y whole square. Okay, and plus thrice xy remain unchanged. Now my dear students, look, we'll put the value of x plus y and xy here to calculate this one. Okay, now x plus y's value is what? X plus y's value is 7. That is given 7. Okay, so 7, this is square, and plus 3 is multiplied with xy. The value of xy is 10. Okay, so write down 10 here. Now dear students, it's a simple calculation. It's 7 square means 7 sevens are 49. Okay, plus 3 tens are 30. It's a simple addition. It will be 79 if we add. That means our result is 79. Of this expression's value is 79, my dear students. Okay, now we will solve the question number 34 on the right side. Question number 34 says that if m plus 1 by m that's equal to 2, show that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 that's equal to 2. We need to show this one. Okay, to show that one, the solution will be, look my dear students, it's very simple solution again. Given that the value of m plus 1 by m that's equal to 2, this one is given, and we need to show that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 that's equal to 2. That means we will create m to the power 4 and 1 by m to the power 4. To create this one, we will take square 2 times in the left side and the right side of the equation. We will square 2 times. First of all, take a square 1 time. Okay, take a square in the both of the side of this equation. We will get m plus 1 by m whole square that's equal to 2 square. Write down the note, taking square in both sides. Okay, taking square in both sides. We'll get how much? M plus 1 by m whole square plus 2 whole square, because we need to create m to the power 4. That is why we will take 2 times square. First of all, we will take 1 time square. Okay, now write the formula of a plus b whole square. The formula of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Here is a equal to m and b equal to 1 by m. So we can write down a square, a means m square plus twice ab, twice a means m, b means 1 by m, plus b square, b means 1 by m, this is square. Okay, a square plus twice ab plus b square. That's equal to what? That's equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 square means 4. 2 multiply 2. That's equal to 4. Okay. Now, my dear students, implies that we can write down m square. That means m square plus 2 into m into 1 by m. That means, dear students, this m is as numerator, this m is as denominator. So we can cut it down. That means this 2m will be vanished. Now 1 multiply with 1 multiply with 2, it will be 2. Now plus sign 1 square and m square, 1 by m whole square. That means 1 square, 1 has a square and m has also a square. So 1 square, that equal to 1, and m square as our denominator. So m square, that's equal to m square. Okay, so 1 by m square, we have got it. Now that's equal to 4. Now, my dear students, we will transfer this numerical value in the right side. Okay, if we transfer the numerical value in the right side, then the numerical value will take the opposite sign which has now. That means we write down m square and 1 by m square. We will transfer this plus 2 in the right side, and plus 2 will take a negative sign. Plus 2 will take now minus sign, because when we transfer any numerical or any term in from the right side to the from the left side to the right side, the terms will take the opposite sign. That means 2 will take the minus sign before, because 2 had plus sign at before. Now, my dear students, it's very easy now. It's m square plus 1 by m square, that's equal to 2. We will take another square to make m to the power 4. We need to make m to the power 4. That is why we will take another square in the both of this side of this equation. Take square now, m square plus 1 by m square. Take square in the both of the side. This is square plus this 2 is square, and write down the note, taking square in both sides. Taking square in both sides. Okay, taking square in both sides. My dear students, now we will write down the formula of a plus b whole square. Now our a is m square, our b is 1 by m square. So the formula is a plus b whole square. That means a square, a means m square, right? A square plus twice ab, 2 into a means m square, b means 1 by m square. Now it will be plus sign plus b square, b means 1 by m square, that's square. Okay, now a square plus twice a b plus b square, that's equal to how much? That's equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 2s are 4. My dear students, it's very easy calculation. Now look, it has m square to the power square. That means what will be, we write down. In the previous class of class 6, you have learned this one already. I am writing down this one for note. No need to write down this one. This is for your better understanding. I am writing down a to the power n to the power m. That's equal to a to the power n m. In the previous class, you have well known about this. A to the power n to the power m is equal to a to the power n m. That means when the power has some power, then two power will be multiplied to each other. That means we can write down a to the power m to the power 2 to the power 2. That means m to the power 2 multiply 2. That's equal to 4. That means m to the power 4 plus this 2 will be here, and this m square and this m square will be omitted, because this m square is as numerator and this m square is our denominator. So this 2m square will be vanished. Now, my dear students, it's 1 by m square to the power square. So m1 square means 1, and this m square has square. So m square square, that means 2 multiply 2 will be 4. So m to the power 4. That's equal to, right hand side we have 4. Okay. Now we need to convert this to into the right side. That means you need to transfer this plus 2 into the right side, because in the left side we have to need only m to the power 4, 1 by m to the power 4 to prove. M to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 we need in the left side. That is why we will transfer this 2 in the right side. Okay. Now my dear students, if we transfer this one, m to the power 4 and plus 1 by m to the power 4 remain in the left side, and that's equal to 4 minus this 2, because when we transfer this plus 2 in the right side, the 2 will take minus sign. Now therefore we can write down m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4, that's equal to 2, which is our required solution. That means which is required to show now. We should write down show. Okay, because we have already shown that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4, that's equal to 2. How to solve this one, my dear students? Look again, we had given that m plus 1 by m, that's equal to 2. Okay, and we need to show m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4, that's equal to 2. That is why we will take square 2 times. First of all, take 1 time square, then solution of this we will get m square plus 1 by m square equal to 2, then take another square of this, then we will find out m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4, that's equal to 2. I think, dear students, you have understood how to solve these two problems. And my dear students, you have the homework. Your homework number is 11. Please mention your homework number in your HW copy in the left up corner, and solve these two problems from your exercise 5.1, page number 86, question number 31 and 32. Okay, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.